Enterprise presents the new Outlook Add-in. Enterprise has improved its Outlook Add-in. Compatible with recent versions of Office 365, it gives you access to a 360-degree view of your CRM contacts directly from your inbox. It automatically detects unknown contacts and allows you to create them with a single click. Now let's see how it works in practice. A new email arrives in your inbox. The add-in opens and automatically analyzes its content. It recognizes the sender, a known contact in your CRM linked to their company. An existing opportunity and a future appointment appear immediately. With one click from the 360-degree view, you can directly access the opportunity in Enterprise. The add-in also detects an unknown recipient in this email. By simply ticking a box, Enterprise will automatically create this new contact in your CRM as soon as the email is saved. You can choose to save the email as is or convert it into a document, ticket, task, or appointment. In this example, the contact asks to be called back. The email is therefore converted into a task, linked to the relevant contacts, and the new recipient is created with their email address. In addition to this automatic conversion, the add-in evaluates the sentiment of the email. Here, the sender's sentiment is identified as positive, which is valuable information for tracking your relationships. With this new Outlook add-in, teams eliminate manual tasks, reduce data entry errors, and enrich their CRM database more systematically.